right, we are now on section 3, and section 3 is covering question number 3. It says the proof of the angle side congruence criterion follows from the other congruence criteria. Complete the statements in the proof of the AAS congruence criterion below. It says given triangle MNO and triangle PQR with angle N is congruent to angle O, angle N is congruent to angle Q, angle O is congruent to angle R, and line segment MO is congruent to line segment PR. And it wants you to prove that the two triangles are congruent. So it is actually giving you the statements. It's asking you to justify their reasons for each step they made. I feel like this might take you about 5 minutes to talk these over with your table mates and see if you can follow the logic here. Go ahead and pause your video. As you can see, the reasons have now been listed for you. Please note that here we used a couple of properties of equality. I used the definitions of congruent angles twice, once to go from congruent to equal, and then to go from equal to congruent. I ultimately proved that given two angles and a side, I can prove that those triangles are congruent based on other information. I want to refer back to this triangle sum theorem. Triangle sum theorem just means that all angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. On to your debriefing.